Hey there, my friends. Welcome back to the final episode of our Unlocking the Power of Sleep Naturally series. I'm so excited to be back with you in week 4 as we continue to unlock the secrets to your best night's sleep. Today, we're wrapping up our journey by diving into the powerful concept of habit stacking. And I'll be sharing the results of my sleep tracking adventure over these past few weeks. I'm Kara Hanks, natural health doctor, essential oil educator, and shamanic practitioner. I am passionate about teaching people how to live a self empowered life naturally. In today's episode, I'm going to answer some important questions. What is habit stacking? How to develop a good habit for your best night's sleep using habit stacking? And I will include a list of habits that will help you sleep better night after night. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like and share this episode. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. One more thing, stay to the end of this video when I will share with you how you can access my free download, my top essential oil picks for finding inner peace within yourself. All right. Grab your favorite cozy blanket and settle in as we explore the transformative power of habit stacking. And I share my challenges and wins in my personal sleep journey over these past few weeks. First, let's answer the question, what is habit stacking? James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, defines habit stacking as pairing a new habit with an old habit for the purpose of having greater success. As we move through our day, many of our actions are actually habits. And the truth is, we don't really have to think about doing them. We simply do them. Why does this happen? Our brain is efficient and creates shortcuts or synapses for us to make our lives easier. And the more often we repeat something, the deeper the pathway in the brain. However, the brain has a powerful ability to learn something new, regardless of our age. And this is called neuroplasticity. And it's one reason habit stacking is so successful. There's a simple habit stacking formula, and it goes like this. Every time I do X, the existing part of my routine, I will then do Y, the new thing I want to add to my routine. This equation works for a variety of different scenarios or goals. And in our case today, we're going to talk about habit stacking and how to sleep better. While it may be obvious to look at our bedtime sleep routine, there are many less obvious actions, daily habits to improve life we can take all throughout our day to sleep better when night falls. Let me share 5 positive daily habits to improve life with you now. Let me know in the comments how many of them are already part of your routine. Number 1, morning stretching. Pair with your morning coffee or tea to kickstart your day with increased circulation, flexibility, and energy. These benefits will in turn help you sleep and rest better later. Number 2, hydration. Drink a glass of water before each meal and/or whenever you take a break from work to stay more hydrated than you already are through the day. This will promote better sleep at night. Number 3, mindfulness meditation. Incorporate a ritual of presence with focus on your breath during your lunch or a break to calm your mind and prepare for your afternoon. Like habits, stress stacks up and quickly results in more overwhelm and anxiety. Number 4, positive thoughts. Start your day with positive thoughts. One small thought in the morning can shift the outcome of your entire day. And as you start your morning hygiene routine, repeat a positive affirmation or visualize positivity for your day ahead. This promotes a more relaxed body and mind throughout the day. Number 5, movement. Take a walk during lunch, after a snack, or try a stroll after dinner. the best time to exercise for sleep is not right before bed. However, 30 minutes of aerobic exercise earlier in the day can help you sleep far better at night. This leads me to sharing my experiences. In episode 1, I told you I was going to track the time I go to bed each night, establish a bedtime routine, and see if exercise can improve sleep for me. I discovered I'm reasonably consistent and typically in bed between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. to manage my early wake up time of 4 a.m. However, there were a few days I was in bed by 8 p.m. and a few more when I didn't get to bed until after 11 p.m. And believe it or not, these days actually made it hard to fall asleep the next night. Not what I would have expected. I think tracking my sleep is helping me create my best sleep schedule. However, in answering the question, can exercise improve sleep for me? I'm happy to report it absolutely does. And I only needed 20 minutes per day to sleep deeper and sleep longer. Where will I go from here? I will find my best sleep schedule. I will continue to fine tune the time I go to bed. And I will use doTERRA's sleep system. I will keep my commitment to daily exercise for good sleep at night. And I will use the power of habit stacking to take the next steps. I'm going to consistently have a healthy snack of protein and fat when I begin my night routine, and I'm going to focus on better hydration throughout my day. Leave me a comment below and let me know your favorite part of this Sleep Better Naturally series and what you discovered about your own sleep routine. Thank you for staying with me to the end today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And below, you'll find your link to my free download, my top essential oil picks for finding inner peace within yourself. Along with it, a link to visit the Evolve with Kara app with many free tools to support you in living your best life. And this includes meditations for better sleep. All right. Have a wonderful night's sleep tonight. Bye for now.